Then today we will start like HSK for reading part 2 because it's kind of difficult for students, right?
Yes.
So let's start from there. In this part, we have some keyword. If you can find the keyword, it will be very easy to find other, how can I say? It will be easy to find the answer. For example, the keyword for this part is number 1 is pronoun. What's the meaning of pronoun? It's like 我,你,他, something like that, right?
Yes.
You have to. And the other thing will be time words. We say that 时间词 in Chinese. And again, we will need to find conjunction. Like there will be a lot of conjunction, like maybe in HSK 4 textbook, there will be 不但,而且, and maybe 虽然, you know that?
Yes.
但是, 因为, 所以, this kind of conjunction. So if you can find these 3 conjunction, you will find the answer easily. So let's start off. In here, is it small to see?
No, it's okay.
Maybe this will be kind of bigger. You have paper, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see the first one. 例如 means like example, right?
Yes.
可是今天起晚了，平时我骑自行车上下班，所以就打车来公司。In these 3 words, you can see 可是平时我，所以可是 work as a conjunction and it will work as like but. Right? The meaning of 可是 is but. So if you have something, one sentence, and you say but, it's like they connect the first sentence and second sentence, right? So 可是 can put in the first sentence, in the very first sentence. It has to put in the, like at the place of second sentence, first place, right? So 可是 can be the first sentence. And then 平时我, in here we have pronoun. Most of the pronoun, maybe they refer to something. For example, they will say 小丽 in the first sentence and 她 in the second sentence. This 她 represents 小丽, right? So we have to have noun first and then pronoun will follow in second or third sentence. And in here, 我 means me, right? So this pronoun, maybe it refers to some noun or maybe it can put in the subject place. So this kind of word, this kind of sentence, you can put in the first place maybe. And then again, 所以 this word work as a conjunction, right? 所以 means like therefore. So it's like using the sentences for conclusion. You want to conclude one thing, so we say so therefore, right? So before this 所以 we will have one sentence and we make conclusion at the last. So most of the time 所以 we put in the third sentence. So in this sentence 平时我 will become the first, 可是 will become second, and 所以 as a conclusion at the last. You don't even need to know the meaning. Yes. So let's see. 我希望他以后能像老虎一样勇敢，遇到困难都不害的。儿子是虎年出生的。In here we see 我, 他, they are pronouns, and 遇到困难都不害的 and 儿子. Which one can put in the subject place?
I think C.
C, yeah, of course, because this 他 refers to 儿子, right? So 儿子 will come first, C. And then CAB or BAC? Which will come?
B.
Why? Why is B? We choose A and then B. because
嗯
this 遇到困难都不害的。It's like there is no conjunction, there's no 时间词, there's no pronoun,
嗯
and this 遇到困难都不害的 they will need some subject, right? If you have subject here, you don't need to think about it. This is subject. We have subject, one full sentence, right?
Yes.
But in here, do we have subject? We don't have
Mm.
subject. We have to find subject for this sentence. So this can be in the first place. So CAB.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think this is the mistake I was making in
Mhm.
doing these sentences because I thought maybe
Mhm.
because there is there, so
There.
maybe they should come in now. No.
Okay, okay. So in here, 老虎 is like subject.
Mm.
And this is follow after 老虎. Okay, so
Mhm.
the answer is CAB. Okay, okay. Then 57, 恐怕是迷路了，结果还是没有走出去。我们已经在森林里走了1个小时了，恐怕是，结果还是我们已经。In these 3 sentences, which one
Will be the first
can
sentence.
be subject?
C.
C. Why? Because we have woman, this
Mm.
word, right? Woman. It can be subject. And CAB or CBA? Can we see le?
Yes.
Most of the time,
Mm.
it can put
At the end.
at the end of the sentence. So C,
B. and
B, A. In exam, just think like all the possibility. All the possibility. La, it can put at the end of the sentence sometimes, but it can put in the middle of the sentence. So just think all the possibility. But in here is, oh, sorry. Yeah, CBA will be the answer. Okay.
Yes.
58 is 张老师是专门教汉语语法的，都说他很厉害。那些上过他课的学生 In here we see 他 pronoun, 他 pronoun. This 读他 means to who?
To General.
To 张老师, right? So this will be and ABC or ACB. 都说那些上过
ACB.
很好，怎么知道的？
学生。
学生都说 in here we don't have subject, right? 谁说的 Who said that word, right? So ACB. Is it okay?
Yes.
Is it easy?
Doing it with it.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
Okay, yeah, but by yourself it will be difficult a little bit. We just need practice. Okay. 连10万块都不到，尤其适合女性开，而且价格也不贵。这辆红色的汽车不但样子漂亮。So, which one will come first?
C.
C. Why?
Just because it has
We have the button of 不但而且, right? So, 不但而且 and then which will come? Do you know why? Because 连 this word, this button. 连都 represents even that thing is something like that. So we have to say one situation. And to get more understanding, we use even if or something like that. So it's just explanation to make sure we understand the first sentence. For example, no one can go outside. Even the teacher can't go outside. So this even the teacher can go outside, this sentence let the student to get more restriction, more understanding, right? So 连 is like using like that kind of button. So 连 when you have 连 or 甚至 this kind of word, you have to put at the end of the sentence. So yeah, so the answer will be C, B, A. Okay, another is 爷爷很爱听京剧，偶尔还会跟着广播唱上几句，每天早上他都会听几段。这里的他 说的是谁？
爷爷。
爷爷，对的。
嗯
And in here，偶尔还会，偶尔 mean sometimes，每天 mean every day. You do one thing every day, and sometimes you even did that thing, or you sometimes did that thing, and every day you did that thing. Which one will come first?
You do the thing every day.
Yeah, every day and then sometimes, right? So according to 时间词 time words, we can put this first and this first, this second, right? And in here we have 他, this word refers to爷爷. So how you can arrange these sentences?
A C B.
Yeah, 很好 A C B. Okay. And 我更喜欢凉快的秋天，与暖和的春天相比，因为那时候有满山的红叶，非常浪漫。相比 ，you know the meaning of 比 right? 相比 is 差不多的 meaning, like compare. You compare and you know which one you will more likely or you like this more and you compare. Which one will come first? You compare first. You compare first or you like first?
You like first compared to.
You compare first and then you know which one you like more, right?
Yes.
So 相比 we come first and then get. This 因为 we put a third sentence because we have one thing and then we have explanation. I like this 因为 because it's like an explanation, right? So we have to write B A C, right? 小黎工作起来特别认真，他从来都不叫苦叫累，不管遇到多能解决的事情。This time refers to
小丽。
So if we can first, right?
Yes.
小黎 sorry. 小黎 and then A B C or A C B.
I think A C B.
Yeah, that's true. A C B, because 不管 this word is in HSK 4，不管什么什么，它都什么什么那种情况。This 不管 and 都 connect. So A C B. So the most important thing is you have to understand HSK 4共建性. But do you have this book? This book? PDF file,
Yes.
or maybe like in here. He already write for you, like this kind of button. So you can just quick revision. 不仅也还而且 you know 即使也在上。首先其次对来说在下既又也还在看来 something like that. So you can do quick revision using this textbook, right? Okay, then we keep saying 如果你愿意放暑假的时候可以去那儿住。那儿 is like pronoun, right? So you have to be careful. 但我平时但 is 共建型 right? So you have to be careful. 我父母的房子一直是空着的。我父母 you can use as a subject. So C will come first. And then CAB or CBA. Which will come first?
CAB.
Why?
如果但
如果的 no no 如果的
I mean, if we say but,
but
oh, CBA.
yeah CB right true because 如果 if they only give you half of the sentence maybe CAB but after 如果 they already give you full sentence so this is CBA okay and then 64出发之前的一些准备工作是不可缺少的。外出旅游是一件值得高兴的事，为了保证出行顺利。Which one will come first? 出发之前 This is time word, right? 时间词。外出旅游是一件，为了保证。So in here, whenever you see this kind of 示意什么什么 like definition or explanation, that kind of sentence, whenever you see this, you have to put in front of the sentence.
Okay.
外出旅游是，学习汉语是，中国是 something like that. It's like definition. And we like 是 this kind of 是一件值得高兴的事 this kind of writing. This is like explanation at the very first of the sentence and we explain other things later, something like that. So this kind of thing have to put most of the time, like 90% of the time, they will put in the first place. So B and then BCA or BAC.
BAC.
BAC, why? You see 是的 it means like it's like full sentence.
Oh,
Right? It already full sentence. Then C 为了保证顺利我出行顺利 is it full sentence?
no.
No, right? So we will come C first. And then
And then
A. Yeah. Because this can put in the end of the sentence, that kind of pattern. So whenever you have the, you have to be careful. Is normal the or is it 是的 this pattern?
okay.
Okay. 上学后，他常常跟同学去打篮球。他 is Bruno, right? We have to be careful. 弟弟小时候很矮，现在个子差不多1.8米了。We have to see this 了 and this 现在是间词 okay? So how will you arrange this sentence?
I think B will start.
Yeah, of course, because 弟弟 can put in the subject place. And then?
And then
This is also a 时间词。上学后。上学后 and 现在。Which one we put at the end of the sentence?
I'm confused between the 上学后 and 现在 which one will start?
上学后 means
After school.
after he attended school.
Yes. And
现在 is now. Whatever thing happened in the past. Now
okay.
it's the last situation,
Yeah.
right? So
Okay.
we put
BAC.
很好 BAC. Most of the time 现在 means the situation right now. So most of the time we say now we are becoming this blah blah blah, we are becoming that blah blah blah, right? So most of the time we put 现在 at the end of the sentence. Okay, and again we have
La.
so we definitely have to put at the end of the sentence. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes. And when you go back, you can read the other word. And if you have any question about word, you can add this. Then you just tell me, okay?
Okay.
And then 试卷2可以吗？
可以。
We go for second. And this is we don't need to say anymore, right? Okay. 快擦擦，我去给你倒杯果汁，对皮肤也不好。看你脸上的汗，既然这么辣， 就别吃了。Oh, I have one group that's called Sharing is Caring. Do you use
Telegram.
Telegram?
Yes.
Okay, maybe I will send you that group link. And we have that group, and in that group, he is sharing a lot of Chinese book. So you can enter into this Telegram group and you can see a lot of Chinese curriculum, Chinese grammar book, or Chinese story book, or something like that. And you can even share with your friends. And here he is making some, I don't know where he got, but so much thankful to him. He is like helping you to put like this, like grandma button. You see even Tyler, this kind of button, right? So you can use this, you can save this page. Maybe you can find some conjunction. Okay.
Yes.
And for me, I haven't see it clearly nicely. So you can find by yourself some button. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know, let me see. I think he is using this. He is using this from HSK Standard Course book. For example, 主语虽然主语但是 something like that. Okay. So at least you can use this grammar button you can find, or maybe you can make one by yourself. You can make one by yourself. For example, go to HSK for book, find all the conjunction and write it down, and it can help you. Okay. Okay, in here we are saying like 既然 and in this sentence 我去给你快擦擦，对皮肤也不好，看你脸上的汗。How we can arrange these three sentences?
Okay. I think maybe.
Okay, you try.
Okay, I'll try. At first, I thought maybe this one we speak should start in A, but I think it should be A.
这是快擦擦。What they need to be 擦 What they need to be white?
At the first.
This need to be right.
Yeah.
So this will come after this. Okay. So BA will come together. Maybe CBA or BAC. How will we arrange? Whenever we have 既然 this word, we have to put in the first place. Okay. Remember 既然 Okay. 既然这么辣就别吃了，对皮肤也不好。And B and A. Okay, CBA. So actually in here we have this word 既然也 these two words together. Okay, 既然也 and then 汗还有擦擦一起了啊。So the answer will be CBA. The next one is 只有一定的顺序排列这些号码，否则很难看出来，你才能发现它们之间的关系。只有，否则，才。How you use these three conjunctions? We have to remember 只有，还有才能。Okay, and according to 否则 we have one sentence first, and then 否则 and then another sentence. Maybe I will use sentence 1 and 2, okay? So 否则 can put in the first place.
Can we put in the first place?
Yeah, between two sentences, right? And 只有 and 才能 is used together. So it's like 只有一定的顺序排列这些号码，你才能发现它们之间的关系，否则很难看出来。OK，只有才能 and then 否则。Okay, because 只有 and 才能 it becomes one sentence together, and then 否则 after 否则 is another sentence. So the answer will be
A, C, B.
对的，很好。好，the next one 不但这本小说，而且 the pattern of 不但 is 不但而且 OK, which one will be subject? 这本小说 so the answer will be
B, A, C.
OK, is it OK?
Yes.
Yeah. 那的结果还有了，但昨天姐姐 how will you arrange? Which one can be subject? 结果 can be但 can be subject? 姐姐 can be subject? Yeah, and plus time work. Time work can only put before subject or after subject.
Okay.
So 昨天姐姐 is right and 姐姐昨天 is right too. So anyway, this has to be in subject place. Okay. So C and then C and
C, CVA.
对的，很好，坏。结果 is result. Most of the time, like 80% of the time, can be in the last sentence, or maybe it can be in the second place, but it can't be at the first place. So in here, then it's like, but need one sentence first, right? So 结果昨天 and then 一起 and then 结果 is like last sentence, and at the end of the sentence they also have the again. So CBA. 观众看电视时 we have time warp 就能判断出他表演水平的高低，往往通过演员的一个很小的动作。
A.
A 很好。And then is it B or ABC? Whenever you see 用 something 来 or maybe 通过 something after this kind of written pattern, after these two pattern, we have to put verb because that means using this become this. Passing through this become this. So after 通过, we have to put verb or maybe 用 something like after this pattern, we have to use verb. So in here we have 通过 and then 就能判断 that is like another verb, right? So A, C, B. OK. 估计进去就得迷路。你看这里，环境太复杂了，我连入口都找不到。估计 means?
估计 like approximate.
Yeah, like you approximate something, right? And then in here, 这里 means here. It related to place of noun, right? We have one place of noun. And when we have 这里 and 环境 together, we can use together. 你看这里环境 the environment of this place, something like that. In here, we are using 这里 plus noun this pattern, okay? So this one we come first. 你看这里环境太复杂了，我连入口都找不到，估计进去就得迷路。Okay?
Yes.
And then 62，我没有继续读硕士，去年毕业后 we have time water. 而是 You know the pattern of 不是而是不是而是不是而是 is the pattern of emphasizing on the thing that is real. So it's like you can rightly say, are you a teacher? You can say, yes, I'm teacher. Or I am not teacher, I am a student. The kind of saying. So when we say something that is not true, and the truth is this thing, we can use 不是而是. So in here, we have the pattern of 没有. It's like the meaning is similar to 不是, right? Sometimes it can come with 不是而是 the pattern, but sometimes it will come 没有而是 the pattern. So after this word, we have to put 而是 this word, right? But this be, where it will put? B-A-C or A-C-B?
It should be B-A-C.
对的, because time word we come first. B-A-C. Okay?
Yes.
And then 吃晚饭都好好休息一下，下午我们还有各位辛苦了。So in here, which one can be subject, please?
It's time
下午我们还有 and then B and then
C
and then
A.
When we have 各位, like is the word when we need someone attention, we say that one. 各位先听一下 something like that. Like everybody please, like he want to get attention. So we will use this word first. 各位辛苦了. And then
B. Oh, B. A.
in here, we will use A and then B. Because in this sentence, we don't have pronoun or 连词 or maybe 时间词. It's not very easy to see. This kind of situation, you have to check verb. Because some verb, they are coming like in order. For example, if you want to go outside, you have to say 我出门, right? 我出门, 然后去银行, 对吧? 然后买东西. Like 3 processes happening. First process is you have to go outside from your house and then going where? To and then do my things. So in some time, we have to see verb, okay? 准备了午餐，吃晚饭。午餐 is to eat, right? After eating, 下午我们还有 because of 还有 this word. Okay, so the answer will be C, A, B. Okay, and 可是也没有表示反对。他虽然十分惊讶，我把这件事告诉妈妈时 ，we have time word. 他 we have 连词可是 right? So which one will come first?
C.
C, right? We have time word and this 他 refers to mama, this word, right? So we come first is C and then B and then A, right? And 65这本词典你从哪买的？甚至中间还缺了一页，里面很多词语的解释都有错误。这本词典甚至里面 which one will come first? 这本词典对的。And then
里面
对的。And 甚至 when you have 甚至 you have to be careful. 甚至 is like 尤其是甚至 and then 连 什么什么都 like they are like even if or something like that. They are explaining the first situation in more deep explanation. So 甚至 most of the time it put at the end of the sentence. At first, we are saying one situation, and even something is blah blah blah, something like that. So 甚至 have to put at the end of the sentence. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, then we will talk other in next day. So today class will be finished here. Okay.